We are getting in to see elected officials that our members wouldn't otherwise necessarily have access to or have the time to facilitate meetings with. We're providing that face-to-face, principal-to-principal interaction.
It's a great way to make contacts with other people in the industry, including our colleagues in the processing business, but also our customers and our suppliers.
It's a lot easier to call someone who you have a relationship with than it is to make a cold call, to get information that you need to share with a customer in order to market your product.
We all have to be part of this, and if we want to see this industry survive, we want to see this industry grow, we have to be engaged with it.
We are the only trade association that encompasses the entire plastics industry value chain.
By being in the world's largest plastic association gives me access to all the people who make the equipment, supply the raw materials, and generally provide all the technology that really drives our industry as well as the plastics industry.
If it wasn't for SPI, a small company like mine wouldn't be able to have the access to the regulatory agencies and also the knowledge base concerning polymers, machinery, and also trade.
So SPI helps to bridge those gaps between technology and business by taking those complex terms and breaking it down into step-by-step pieces and things that individuals can understand. We also try to help our members through various committees so they can learn not only from the staff but also from their peers.
There are dozens of examples within SPI where members have met members, and the personal development and the business development that have come out of that has been extraordinary.
Usually with just one phone call or email, I can get information or a quick answer to a question that without that resource might otherwise take days or weeks.
You can pick up the phone and call me and ask a question, which either I'll know the answer to or I'll find it, or our committee members will find it, or we'll turn to our general counsel for that answer.
And they can also participate in the industry statistics that we put out, which benefits them. They can see how they measure against other companies in the industry, and that's very important.
SPI has its Occupational Health and Environmental Issues Committee, and this is one of the leading committees here at SPI dealing with the Environmental Protection Agency, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, which are two big agencies that have a lot of impact on the overall industry.
Regulations from EPA and OSHA today, if some of these things go through that are being proposed, could absolutely wipe out the small and medium enterprises in our industry.
Learning where all the industry and all the government compliance is heading, working together with a coalition to shape regulation and compliance, understanding what's happening in the plastic world and in the regulation world is a key for us, and there is nothing better than SPI and that committee to be part of what we do.
Our creation of the OEM Council is a direct effort to reach out to our customers and actually involve them in the process.
If you don't have a seat at that table, others in the industry are making those decisions for you.
And you may not like the decisions that are made at that table for your benefit. So it's in your best interest to join SPI and be a part of those major decisions.
And I like to look at SPI as an insurance policy. We're there to make sure that the stroke of a pen from any legislator, from whether it be a state level, from a federal perspective, that they can't use their pen to put you out of business.